Asana WearTech is working on a very revolutionary concept for addressing spinal conditions. Traditionally, spinal conditions have been addressed with a combination of physiotherapy and rigid bracing. Rigid bracing is really hard to take for adolescents. It requires them to wear this very uncomfortable plastic armor for 23 hours a day for several years. We think that active correction of posture is something that's feasible, that we can re-educate posture, and that the missing piece for re-educating posture is actually to have some kind of control on how the patient behaves when they're not being watched. So our work, our technical work, is to develop wearable electronics or wearable products that will monitor posture with high accuracy and allow for closing the loop in postural re-education, and empower the physiotherapists and the surgeons and the patients to make sure that they're actually following the treatment properly, and that they can potentially escape the need for rigid bracing and all the consequences that it could entail. One of the advantages of our product, beyond having active correction of posture, is that it reduces the burden, the psychological burden for the patients, because it's a garment that it's an undergarment that you wear under your clothes and nobody knows you're wearing it, and you develop this intimate connection to the device, and it helps you develop a better sense of posture without anybody knowing about it, and also has this sense of coolness as opposed to a rigid brace that it looks like makes you look like Robocop. We started operation more actively like 3 or 4 months ago, so there are 4 of us already in the company. And we just finished our first prototype for our new technology that derives from some of the work that we did with Envision, but now includes different sensing technology. And we have a prototype and it's working great. So we are going to enter now the stage that we call feasibility, where we want to test everything about the prototype to make sure we have the right design, and also we'll have to probably iterate it. And once we know that the prototype is feasible, then the next step will be product development. But we're still like a little far from that, maybe like a year. So having received this TR35 Spain award, it's actually a lot of excitement and also motivation to keep up the work, and it's also good because we have some public attention, and that may eventually help with keep getting some funding and also getting the word out about this revolutionary product that we may be bringing to the market pretty soon.